Okay, we will debug the last error, and the error has to do with the class variance authority. So if I go here, this is what we see. We just have to install that by doing pnpm and then just grabbing this, okay, module name, and we'll say install, and we'll just do that. With that, the error should go away. And after this, okay, what I will do next is, actually I copied the images that we will need and I put them here under the public and images folder, because the header, not the header, the heroes component, the hero component needs the hero file, images. We also need images in the testimonial, and I have also copied those. They are all here. Okay, sorry, they are all in here. So now with this, we will try to launch the web page. Actually, I had launched it, so it's now showing in the browser on port 3000 on the local host. Let's go see that, and let's see that. So right here, you can see our page is not, our site is not showing complete because we don't see the navigation, so we have to correct that. Let's go back to the code and just tell the AI that the website is not exactly okay. So we just tell the AI, okay, the different, let's say the style of the website is review the layout and page component from the app folder. Okay, the pages, the hero section, and the footer are not showing up. Okay, so let's see what it tells us. Instead of us trying to solve it, let's see if the AI can solve this faster. Okay, so okay, it's giving us the code for the layout, which is this layout here, because it's still the out of the box from Next.js. So let's override this and see. After that, we'll switch to the browser to see if there's any change. Okay, so next we have to change the page layout, and so the page layout has to import the hero, and normally it should also import the footer. Okay, I don't know if we created the footer. Yeah, the footer is there. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is good, and let's change the tailwind. Let's update the tailwind. So we'll go here, update tailwind, and we'll do that. Okay, so now I see a few changes, but the site is still not looking quite ready. Let me check that. So this is how the website is looking at the moment, so we have to debug this. Okay, let's go back to our code and continue working on it. Okay, go to the code. Okay, the design does not conform to the requirement in the prompt fix the design. So let's see what we get. Okay, I didn't do the global. Did I fix the global? Okay, I did not fix that. Let's fix that and see if that will help. Okay. Okay. Okay, that is still not quite a fix. So we have to continue. Okay, we have to adjust more the tailwind. Okay. We have to add tailwind typography, forms. Okay. So I can copy this and go here. I'll use pnpm to install, and I'll also update the tailwind config file. So tailwind is right here. Let's use the apply in editor. We'll see right here what happens. Okay, so okay, is there any change? No changes yet. Okay, so we may have to review additional stuff. Okay, we did that. The hero section, did it. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, all these are imported, but the design is still not quite right. Okay, let's jump to the browser so you can see what I'm talking about. This is what I have currently. So let's continue debugging. So I'm going to tell Copilot the home page, the nav bar, the slide, the hero section, and so yeah, need to be fixed. Okay, make them modern and user friendly. The base color of the web app is dark navy blue. If this, okay, dark navy blue. Let's see. Okay, let's see what correction it comes up with. Okay, so we're changing the tailwind config, and it's also working on the header, so we'll see. Okay, in the hero section, and the page layout. Okay, so now that this has finished, let's apply the changes real quick. Okay, so it added the blue, and now let's go into the header. The header is right here. Let's apply the changes there. Okay, so it's changing the header real quick here. Okay, so that's the header. Let us continue with the hero component. Okay. Okay. And then we have the page. The page is right here. I don't see a big change there, but we'll see. Okay. So now looking at this. Okay, I will have to pause here again. The video is getting too long and we have to continue debugging. Okay, we'll continue. We'll ask it to really review the design requirement. Review the design requirement below and correct the web app so that the navigation the page layout, the hero slide, oops, are complete. So let's see if, because we give it the file but it doesn't seem to be working as per our requirement. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's still writing for the page layout. Is the page layout or yeah, the header and the hero section. Okay, it didn't implement the hero section earlier, so let's see that. So that's the hero section. So let's go up. We'll start with the page layout, and we'll make the changes. Okay, and okay. Let's see. Okay, and let's change the header based on the provided correction. Okay, it's doing the changes. Let's see. Okay, after the header, that's the header. Let's do the hero section. Okay, still working at it. So let's see. Okay, the hero -1 doesn't exist. It should be hero underscore and hero underscore dash. Underscore 3. Okay. So we got those. But the entire layout is definitely not still good. So you can see here, this is the layout currently. Everything is mixed up. So let's continue with this code. Okay, so we got close to the design, but it's still not quite there. You can see it's a little bit resembling what we had before, but I will make maybe one or two small changes and then we should be good. Let's go to the code. Okay, so I think the height of the slides are too much, so let's just reduce that, and that should almost do it for us. So let me see here again. Okay, we are good. Okay, so let me go here and probably open the component, the hero, and just reduce the height of the hero slides. Okay, so let's do that and see what we get, and that should normally bring us very close to what we needed. Okay, it's making the changes. Okay, so it made the changes to the hero section. Let's apply those changes to the file. And the other issue that I observed was the app was in this source like src folder, so I just removed, like I copied the app folder from there and just put it at the root level, and I deleted the source. So after I did that, the design started to look the way we were expecting it to be. So okay, I think now it's looking reasonable. Let me show you, and this should conclude. So this is the site that we just built, and you saw how I did everything. So if I go here, we have to change the style so the text here is visible. Okay, so okay, and to do that we can just go back to the code real quick. Okay, and just tell the assistant, okay, the text in, okay, the text is not visible in the following component. Okay, so it will be hash. Okay, which one is it? Okay, the hero, no, it's the pages actually. Pricing, I think he hasn't found it. Okay, let's say I open the pricing. Let's go here. It's not visible in here. Okay, and then we'll just use that solution for the features and contact. So we'll correct the styles there in the pricing page. I think we just need to change the text class, but let's see. Okay, it's coming up. Okay, so we made those changes, and let's apply that to the pricing page. Let's apply that to the pricing page. Okay, so it's coming up. Okay, go here. That is good. So I'll just tell it to do the same in the feature and fix the same thing here. Yeah, as see, this is for the features. And so while it works on that, we could, we'll do the features and then we'll ask it to do for the contact, and that should conclude. Okay, so go to the features page and apply the changes to make the text visible, because it was white on white, so not good. So let's see. Okay, this is good. So let it fix the last one in the contact. Okay, we'll say to again correct the text color to not be on the white text on white background. Fix the same issue with this page. Okay, so it should be coming up. Okay, nice, looking good. Okay, let's do the contact. Okay, the contact is about to be done, and we will be done. Okay, so we're able to, with a little bit of debugging, we're able to complete. The video is a little long, so I'm going to split it into two. Okay, we'll just give it a chance to finish here. Okay, look like Claude is tired. We'll see what happens. Okay, so if I go to the contact, okay, look like it did it. So let's apply the changes. Okay, so the changes are being applied. So okay, let me check it. So if I go to contact, nice looking, decent. So here is the completed site. So you can see if we go here, this is the home page with the slides. We have this, and let's complete our demo. But it looks like the text here on the slide is also a problem, but that should be a quick fix. You can see the features page, how it's looking nice, and the pricing and the contact. Normally I will fix this so that when they click it goes to contact, but I don't want to hold you because the video is too long. Let me just have it correct. Okay, the last bit here. Okay, I will say, okay, the hero, the text on the hero. Okay, fix the same issue, because that's the issue with the text on the hero slide, and the page, and the page layout. Let's see what we get. And so I am now back to the code, and I just told the AI that it has to fix the text color on the page and the hero slide. That's what it is working on. So let's see. So this is the hero component, and we will see what it says about the page layout. Okay, so it did for the hero component. Let me apply these changes, and let's see what we get after it does complete the changes. Okay, so okay, go here. Okay, go here, accept the changes, accept the changes, accept. Okay, 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 I need to correct the, okay, this is what I'm seeing so that you can see the same thing. This is what I'm seeing, but I have to fix the path to the images. So let's go do that real quick in the code. Inside the hero section, we have to change all of this with underscore. I could tell it to change, but we can do this real quick. So right here, and okay, that's weird. Okay, so without the images, the text is actually visible, but because the images are bright, so that's why they were not working correctly. Okay, I'll just tell it make the text in the slide to be dark, since the images are light. Okay, and this should do it for us. Yeah, so we'll have this video really in two parts because it's really long, but I wanted to complete the project so you can see how actually working with the assistant you can really get. I've done this in an hour because the first one is 30 minutes and this second part is also 30 minutes, so about 30 minutes. So let's see what we get after I make the change. Okay, so we are still in the hero section. Let's see what we get. Okay, it's trying to make those changes. Okay, so okay, still not great, but that's what we get for now. We don't want to stay too long on this video. And here is the final product, so you can see what I'm looking at. This is the final product. So here, if we go here, I need to find better images to use, but you can see when you scroll, you have your nice little, okay, it has to fix also the the text in the, what they call in the testimonial, but it's the same fix, so you could use the same fix on your end. So with this, the demo is now concluded. So again, what we did tonight was building a complete Next.js web application with a landing page, a heroes section, a testimonial, you know, and then internal pages for pricing, features, and contact. And we did all of this. We redid, actually, I had done this before, but we redid together. You saw, so if you have any comment, any way to improve the videos that I make, if this is you know, helpful for you, you have any recommendation, once again, don't hesitate. And this is my very first video here on this channel. Thank you again for tuning in, and if you would please subscribe, I will be adding more videos like this to leverage AI to boost productivity. So you saw I did everything from, you know, right before you. We could take this to the next level, adding like deploying the web application to Netlify, and also adding the contact form so that it actually sends, you know, messages that visitors of the website will submit. So, and we can add additional stuff. So just let me know in the comment if you have any recommendation. Thank you again.